Okay, so on this episode of Shiny, this is a Craftmade CXL ceiling fan in polished brass, and it has mirrored gold blades on it. I picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace today for very cheap. I'm really surprised I got it for as cheap as I did. And it came 100% complete. It even came with the original Craftmade pull chain fobs. I like the light kit on it. It could use a different set of globes because I'm not really a big fan of them. But altogether, it's a really cool fan. I'm really glad I have it. It's from February of 2002, which is pretty late. I did not know they made these blades that late in the years. But anyway, I'll try it out. Here's the light. I'm using 4 skinny light bulbs because the original or normal light bulbs would not fit. But there's that. There's low speed. Has a pretty nice low speed. You can see it's a sibling right up there. I did put that in the little shed over here. I'm feeling some air from over here, so it's doing a pretty good job. There was also a Craftmade, I think it was the Provincial, I think. I'm not too sure, in the same house, but I opted for this instead. And I think this was actually installed in their dining room, from what I can remember they told me. It's medium speed. It's a really quiet fan too, but I would love to put this in the house somewhere, but the thing is, this literally matches nothing in the house, so it's kind of difficult for me to do that. Altogether though, it's a really cool fan. And here's high speed. It's doing a really good job up there. It's wobbling a little bit because some of the blades are out of clock. That's okay. I'll shut off these lights. Maybe that'll, yeah, it's a little better. It's in very good shape too. I'm not sure if I would mention that. I probably did. Slow it down. Blades are not scratched or anything. They're in very good shape. turn on the lights again because I shut them off. I think the date code is up there. Find it. Of course, it's always on the opposite side, right? Sorry about this. I'm trying to get it for you guys. There it is. It's still a little bit dusty from the house. And that's just, it's actually right up there. But, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.